Yo, it's Midas. Let's talk about my 10x SUI pick, and that's DeepBook Protocol. So disclaimer, everything said in this video is only for educational purposes. Make sure to always do your own research. But if you're an OG, skip my introduction. But if you're new here, watch the very end. But this is why you should listen to Midas. Well, I beat the S&P 500 by 103x in 1 year. So if you want the proof as to the date of all my calls, the takers I invested in, as well as where the call was posted, whether it was YouTube or TikTok, and my total P&L, which is over 4,000%, you can check it out. It's on my YouTube description, on my link tree. And this is why you should listen to me for crypto advice. Well, I've been in the crypto space since 2020, been investing in Bitcoin since 20K and overcame the FTX crash. I have made over 1.5K% gains by investing in the crypto markets. And those gains are not even from meme coins. I do not invest in meme coins. I do not pump and dump coins. All of my picks are based off of thorough research. I have tried meme coin trading and concluded it can work, but the risk to reward is just not worth it. You need to be chronically online 24/7. I invest primarily in altcoins. Altcoins are cryptos that have technical utility, and I pick my altcoins and invest in them like how I pick my stocks, which are early stage technology companies that have room for disruption. You can see my track record of following my crypto investing strategy. I called Bitcoin at 20K, Ethereum at 1.1K, Solana at $10 during the FTX crash, SUI at 85 cents. But by following my crypto investing strategy, I'm able to find winners before they explode. If you want to learn more about my strategy, stay tuned. I'm releasing that soon. But if you're curious about where all my stock picks and crypto picks are, it's all in my YouTube description on my link tree. But let's get to the video, which is DeepBook Protocol, the DeFi backbone of SUI. This is one of my most bullish picks this war run in crypto. I am heavily into the SUI ecosystem, and I believe this is my main runner-up in SUI that I'm very bullish on. But what is DeepBook Protocol? What is built by the SUI Foundation team, where SUI Foundation powers the SUI blockchain. This is ex-Meta engineers. So you can think of this. DeepBook is the official leverage play on SUI. If SUI 2x's, then DeepBook would more or less 5x, since all coins on the SUI ecosystem are followed by SUI. So if SUI goes up, everything else will go up. I also want to highlight this ex-Meta engineers. These Meta engineers from Facebook, left their cushy job at Meta in order to start this Web3 company, and that should tell you something. They believe so highly into this company that they're willing to leave their 500K plus USD company in software to start SUI. But DeepBook Protocol offers this decentralized central limit order book, CLOB, part of SUI protocol. DeepBook was built as a public good for all DeFi protocols on SUI. They offer a next generation liquidity layer, combining the precision of a club with the flexibility of DeFi, offering low latency and lower gas costs to provide deep liquidity to all DeFi protocols on SUI. These are the SUI ecosystem partners. So as they are the DeFi backbone, DeepBook is, they are receiving trading fees from all of these different projects. So you have recognize a lot of these names like CETUS, Kira, Turbos, all these different DEXs. DeepBook Protocol is collecting transaction fees from all of these ecosystems. And keep in mind that CETUS already captures 65% of all transactions on SUI, and they already have billions of transactions already surpassing Solana. This is very bullish. This is what they offer. They offer deep liquidity, so smooth trades with minimal slippage, high throughput, low latency, ultra low predictable cost with lightning fast 390 ms settlement times, highly composable. Like I mentioned, the backbone of SUI's DeFi, build, scale, and let DeepBook handle the heavy lifting. They also offer dynamic low fees. DeepBook is engineered for high frequency and large volume. You can trade with minimal slippage and maximum precision. And they're also very secure and fully on-chain with total transparency, view order flow, book depth, and the whole matching process. You can trade without limits. DeepBook Protocol is also not listed on Binance. And this is crazy. So Binance had this perpetual contract launch and a bit listing with DeepBook, but they still have not been listed on Binance. This is very bullish because as soon as every coin that gets listed on Binance explodes, you can see ONDO Finance, you can see CETUS Protocol. A lot of them exploded once they got more liquidity from an centralized exchange listing them. So just wait for DeepBook Protocol to get this listing, and I believe it's going to rocket. Let's get to my bull case for DeepBook Protocol. So when Sui explodes, I believe all altcoins on the Sui blockchain will explode, including DeepBook Protocol. Like I mentioned, it is a leverage play. So if Sui goes up, you can best bet that all projects built by the Sui team or just built on Sui will also explode, similar to how it was in 2021 with Solana and the projects built on Solana all exploding. They also offer decentralized liquidity sharing, so a shared liquidity pool for the entire Sui ecosystem, allowing multiple decentralized applications to tap into a common liquidity source, making it a lot easier to build DApp without worrying about upfront costs or capital. And they also are getting that inflows of transactions from liquidity for DeFi projects, professional traders, and beginners. And during bull runs, when there's so much liquidity happens with money being into the crypto markets, especially when I believe Sui's going to be that apex chain this bull run, DeepBook's going to be collecting a lot of fees, and therefore the value of this coin is going to increase a lot. It's also built using the Move programming language, which is Sui's developer-friendly programming language. A member on the Sui team developed this whole new programming language, which is revolutionary, as it's a lot easier for anyone to code, in Web3 for blockchain with Move. And DeepBook allows developers to integrate and build sophisticated DeFi applications more easily compared to other clouds because of Move. Another point is trading security. They have battle tested security by working with OtterSec and many other audits, bounties, expert reviews to make sure that they won't get hacked. That's sort of why I'm so bullish on Sui. I think CETUS didn't have this, but DeepBook is built by the Sui team, which is why I'm very bullish as to why it won't get hacked. As well as if you're curious about the token release, you can take a look at it, but it's distributed over the next 7 years. Finally, for my price target, the current price is at 16 cents USD. I think it skyrocketed lately since I made this presentation, but the current crypto ranking is 110th. The crypto market cap, or the current market cap, is 545 million. My price target is 3 plus, which means a projected gains of 2,282%. That's all I got for today. If you want more crypto and stock content, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.